Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create Laravel project using Devilbox. To create a new Laravel project, let's go inside Devilbox. You already know that the Laravel root project directory is public folder. To set this public folder as the root directory, we will have to update the .env file. So let's open .env file and change this httpd doc.root directory to public and save this file. This is very important. Now closing this file and start the Devilbox. I have opened new terminal inside Devilbox. Now type sudo docker compose up -d. It will start Devilbox. Clear. So now we will create a new fresh Laravel project. To create it, let's visit Laravel official documentation on installation section. Let's go down and copy this command. And moving on to the terminal. Here in this terminal, let's type sudo dot shell dot sh. This will open Devilbox in terminal mode. Now let's type ls. There is no project created here, so let's create a new Laravel project here and paste the link that I have copied from the Laravel documentation site. Now let's rename the project name to, for example, blog, and hit enter. It will create a Laravel project. So the Laravel project has been created successfully. Let's type ls. That means this project has been created. Now let's check this project where it has been created. Let's move on to our Devilbox directory. The project actually created inside this www folder. Here is our project. We can turn on this project using VS Code. Now let's move on to Devilbox panel. Go to localhost, to virtual host section. Here we can see our new Laravel project link. Let's click on it. Here is our Laravel project. So now one important question you may ask, that where we will apply Artisan Commands. To apply Artisan Commands, let's move on to terminal. Now we are outside blog project, so we will have to go inside blog. To do that, let's type cd blog. Now we are inside blog. Clear it. Here in this path, you can apply any Artisan command for that specific project. So let's type php artisan. You can apply all these Artisan commands for that project from here. Now let's apply route list command. Here is all routes. Now another important question is that how you can set up database. Where is our MySQL database for this project? So let's move on to our project. And here in this .env file, which is responsible for this blog project, now here our database name is Laravel. Let's change the database name into blog and username is root. Now let's go to our Devilbox panel, and here in this Devilbox panel, let's select tools section. Here you can see phpMyAdmin, where you can set all the MySQL databases here. Let's create new database and naming this to blog, same as, and create that database. So the database has been created. Now moving on to the terminal. Here you should apply this command, php migrate. This command will migrate the migration files. Here the migration table has been created. Now let's check this out. Let's refresh this blog database. Here you can see it has created all the migration files that has been provided by default Laravel migration files. These are the files. This is how you can run any Laravel projects using Devilbox. Completing your work, don't forget to turn off Devilbox. Now let's move on to terminal again and exit from this Devilbox terminal mode. To do that, let's type exit. Now type sudo docker compose down. It will shut down the Devilbox. Thank you.